Good day, children. Good morning and welcome to this session. These days, we discussed about TV, radio, and newspaper. When we compared TV and radio has some limitations. We have already noted it down, isn't it? The introduction of computer changed the world upside down. It has brought the world closer and closer. Before entering into the topic computer, let's do the activities of the previous classes. Activity 1, that is profile writing. First one, write a short profile of uh, Marconi based on the following. Born 25th April 1874 in Bologna, Italy. Education Bedford School of Liverpool. Occupation Italian inventor. Inventions Radio telegraph system. Marconi's law. Awards Nobel Prize, IEE Medal of Honor, and died 20th July 1937, Rome. Dear children, by using these hints given above, we have to read the profile. Guglielmo Marconi, the Italian inventor and electrical engineer, was born on 25th April 1874 in Bologna, Italy. He had his education in Bedford School. He is known for his radio telegraph system and also for his Marconi's law. He was awarded IEEE Medal of Honor. He died on 20th July 1937, Rome, Italy. Second one about Jael Baird. Born August 13, 1888, Helensburgh, Scotland. Education, Longmont School. Occupation, Superintendent Engineer. Invention, semi-mechanical analog television system, wire television, BBC telecasting programs, and died 1946. J.L. Baird, the inventor of television, was born on August 13, 1888 at Helensburgh in Scotland. He had his education in Longmont School. He became the superintendent engineer of Side Valley Electrical Power Company. In February 1924, he could successfully do the transmission of a semi-mechanical analog television system. In 1927, the Wired Television Company was set up. From 1929 to 1935, the BBC telecast programs using the 30-line Baird system. He passed away in 1946. Third one, Alexander Graham Bell, born March 3rd, 1847, Edinburgh, Scotland. Education, University of Edinburgh, University College, London. Occupation, inventor, scientist, engineer, teacher of the deaf. Known for invention of the telephone. Awards, Albert Medal, John Fritz Medal, Elliot Curzon Medal. Died August 1922. Based on the hints given, we have to write the profile. Alexander Graham Bell was born on March 3rd, 1847 in Edinburgh, Scotland. He had his education at the University of Edinburgh and at the University College London. He was well known for his invention of telephone. He was awarded for his Albert Medal and John Fritz Medal and also Curzon Medal. He died on August 2nd, 1922. Activity 2, Advantages and Disadvantages of the TV. First, let's see what are the advantages? First one, it provides instant access to news and other information, reduces stress, entertains, forecasts weather, educate children and farmers, encourages sports and games. What are the disadvantages? Discourage outdoor activities among children, promotes violence, reduces good relation among the members of the family, causes health problems by excessive radiation, programs like cricket matches causes national waste of working hours, takes away children's study. Activity 3, advertisement. Imagine that you have an old bicycle. You would like to sell it. Prepare an advertisement to be given in a newspaper. Make use of the hints given below. Humor, appropriate layout, persuasive language, merits highlighted, variety, advanced technology, creativity, pictures, emotional language. Dear children, here there is an example of writing advertisement. This one already we have discussed, and now look at this picture and what it is written there. In the same way, you can do any other property like mobiles or car or anything else and make another advertisement in your notebook. Okay, dear children, with this activity, let's wind up today's class and we will meet in the next session with the new topic, that is computer. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.